Want to know how to compare workbooks? Being able to compare two Excel files enables you to spot differences with ease. This is especially useful in environments where multiple people work on the same file, such as businesses with cloud sharing. Please note that our instructions apply to the following Excel. If you have different versions of Excel, some steps may need to be performed differently. If you want to compare two entire workbooks that consist of multiple pages, your best bet is using a third-party tool. Currently, Excel doesn't provide an easy way to compare two workbooks, meaning that you must download another developer's software to get this task accomplished. We recommend using Spreadsheet Compare from SourceForge, which is a free software for Windows. All you have to do is download the application and install it. It'll automatically show up as an Excel add-on the next time you run the software. Here's how to use Spreadsheet Compare to compare two Excel workbooks. Open both of the Excel workbooks you want to compare. Please note that you can only compare two files at once. Click on Add-ins menu. You should see three options: Full Compare, Quick Compare, or Range Compare. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll choose Full Compare. A pop-up window should appear on your screen, showing both of the files next to each other. Click the Swap button if one of the files doesn't show up correctly. Click Next when you're done. The next window allows you to customize how you want to compare your files. You can edit the range, choose whether or not your comparison is case sensitive, and how mismatches should be identified. Click Next to proceed. Select which sheets you want to compare in your workbooks. Clicking the Add button moves those sheets to the pane on the right. Click on the Next button to select the sheets for the next pane as well. In the following window, you can modify the report configuration settings. Continue press Next until you reach the end of the wizard, then press Compare to finish. You'll see the original sheet updated with the differences highlighted in red, along with the report to show all the changes. If you need any further help, feel free to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative videos all related to productivity and modern-day technology.